Hello everyone and thank you for joining us on News Drishti channel. I am Anukriti Tomar and we have an exciting lineup of stories for you today. From local events to global affairs, we have got it covered. Stay tuned as we unravel the news that shapes our world. So let's begin with our topic of today, which is about India announcing to plan a research station in Antarctica. India will formally convey its plan to develop a new research station in Antarctica to the governing authority of the icy continent when the body meets for its annual meeting in Kochi later this month. The 46th Antarctica Treaty Consultative Meeting, the ATCM, and the 26th meeting of the Committee for Environment Protection will be held in Kochi from May 20th to 30th, where countries engaged in research in the southern polar region will share the outcome of their scientific pursuits and also their future plans for the country. This year, we are going to inform the ATCM that we are planning to go for a revamp of our research station Maitri. Revamp means Maitri is very old, we have to reconstruct it. M. Ravichandran, Secretary of Ministry of Earth Science, said in an interaction with PTI editors in Delhi. India has two active research stations, Maitri and Bharti, in Antarctica. The agenda of the ATCM are plans to regulate tourism in Antarctica, which is the Earth's only continent without an indigenous population and is governed by the Antarctica Treaty System, ATS, which was signed in 1961. The key items on the ATCM agenda includes strategic planning for the sustainable management of Antarctica and its resources, policy, legal and institutional operation, biodiversity prospecting, inspection and exchange of information and data, research collaboration, capacity building and cooperation, addressing climate change's impact, and development of tourism and framework and the promoting awareness for the same. Over 350 degrees for more than 60 countries are expected to attend the ATCM and the CEP meeting this year, hosted by National Center of Polar and Oceanic Research at Lulu Bolagati International Convention Center LBICC in Kochi. Thank you and join us for such more information.